Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. For this episode for Security Week of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about plants. Yeah, plants. I'm not talking about garden plants, although there are some that may apply to this. I'm talking about security plants that you plant around your house, underneath windows, in front of windows, however you want to decide it, to keep people from using those points of access. There are some really wicked plants out there. Pyracantha is a nice plant. You keep it trimmed down as a bush underneath the window, nice and thick. It's got nice long thorns on it, has nice little colorful red berries on it, and it looks nice. But I guarantee you, you don't want to walk through it trying to get into a window. Another one that I saw that was actually was on the thumbnail for this video, and that's honeysuckle locust or honey locust. It's nasty. I mean, it's thorns everywhere inside of it. So, but there are a bunch of ones with thorns and other things on there that make it not pleasant for an intruder to try to get through. Now, there are some plants that are all thorny and stuff, but they provide fruit for you. The a lemon tree generally, and orange trees generally, they try to raise them up so they don't have thorns. But anything that comes from rootstock, oh yeah, it produces some nice long thorns in there. So you have have one and you get it kind of trim it down dwarf size so it stays under the window and grows up alongside the window, so you still have visibility out the window. Those can be twofold. One, it's got all the thorns in it and stuff, and it produces fruit for you. So do some research on what type of plants grow in your area, because I guarantee you the lemons and oranges ain't going to grow too good up here in Idaho year round. And what is it that you do like and what it looks like? Because if it looks ugly to you, you're not going to want to put it in there. But if it looks nice green with maybe some color in it, and it looks non-threatening at first, that might be something you want to look into. Find out what works in your area for you. All right. And with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, especially water, food, medicines, clothing, and anything else you might need to be able to survive. Why? Well, this is why.